In this video, I will show you how to mark and cut an elbow to any degree in a simple method. Let us mark a 25-degree elbow on a 16-inch large radius elbow. Mark line AB and a perpendicular line BC. Let us check the center radius of 16-inch long radius elbow. Draw an arc with the center radius 609.6 mm. Mark the half OD arcs on both sides of the center line. Mark a line 25-degree rotated from the base line AB. To draw the line DB, we need to know the length of the line ED. To calculate ED, we need to apply the formula, tan theta equals opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side equals adjacent side multiplied by tan theta. $812.8 into tan 25 equals 379 millimeters. Draw the line ED vertically and the slant line DB. I hope now you will be able to draw a line in any degree. Now, put the elbow exactly on the layout as shown. Hold two large level bottles at the edge of the elbow on both sides vertically. And strike a mark where the level bottle edge touches the elbow. Put a scale or a square box on the top of the elbow, touching the faces of the level bottles, and mark on the top side of the elbow. At the bottom side, use a small right angle and transfer the line to the elbow, on both sides.